Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last time I made this thing for a 2D platform tutorial video. As you can see, I have this cone and I jump around here, and yeah, and the camera is parented and stuff. The jump is a little weird here, I don't know why, but I will fix that maybe next time. Can at least move left without issue. I think I know why, but I'm gonna show you later. Okay, we're gonna fix that first, because when I jump and moving right, as you saw, it will stop. The player will stop in air and fall off. It's very irritating. And the mistake I did was I had simple motion here, I had shared motion there for no fucking reason. So I'm gonna make it to simple motion. I'm gonna put in non-20 here. I'm gonna I show you later why I deactivate that. I'll show you the reason why later. However, it's moving smoothly and nice, as it's supposed to do. You can also jump one in the air, as yeah. So this is a good beginning to make a 2D platformer, a Super Mario Bros. Style platformer, or Giana Sisters style, whatever you wanna put with the cone. Alright, and I have one of my followers, this guy here. He asked me how to put the character moving from right to left, and then he's have 3 dudes here moving to the left. I think he means like having the player character to just turn around and not just going more walking back, you know, if you turn the direction. I'm gonna today show you guys how to do that. First of all, we need to make this cone a little more different so I can see which direction the player is taking. So we're gonna make it very simple. We're gonna add what do we gonna add? We can add a cube here, like I'm in edit mode, so this is gonna be the same 3D model. I'm gonna make it like so, and like a little nose here, and yes, so you can now see it's facing to the right, but when I go back, it's don't turn around. How you make this to work? You need to use animation frames, and this is how you do it. You go to the dope sheet. I'm now on the frame 1. In frame 1, like press the I button. Insert keyframes. Can look rate scale. It's remain the location, the rotation, and the scale. But we only wanna say the rotation of this shelter. So only look at the rotation this time. This is very important. And now we're moving to frame 2. Press on again and rotate rotation, and I'm gonna change the view here. I press the R button for rotation, the C for rotation Z-axle, type in 180 degrees. Oh. You can see one issue, and that is, I didn't say that. I need to press I again. Rotation after I change the direction, so it's recorded on the animation. So now we're moving back and forth. It can change the direction. As you can see, the camera is following because it's parented. So we press the camera, going to the object properties, we go into relation. You can see it's parented with cone. The cone is the name of the player shelter. Parent type, it's the object, so it's parented to the whole object, but we only wanna have it parented to a vertex, which is only one vertex on the player. So now we make it the camera isn't following. It's moving a little bit because the vertex isn't in the middle. This I don't know which cone it is, but however, we're gonna redo this. Go into this, and we're gonna erase the parent. We're going to we still have this activated. Pressing shift to the shelter. We pick a vertex in the middle here. This is the top of the cone in the 3D model. I believe when I change the direction of this play shelter, this vertex will not move in the green y-axle, so the camera don't move around so much. And then I try again, Control P, make a vertex parent. Yes sir. I don't know if it works. Yes, it seems to work pretty well. Also when I move this, yeah, it seems to work. However, when we press P, still not change the direction, and that is because we didn't put the logic in the logic bricks here instruction. So we're going to make a 2 action here. So this is for going, pressing A here. This is for going left. Take this first, and this one for going right. Correction, the name is very important here to select which one. And I think the frame number 2 was going left, and going right was on the frame 1. Also there have the name here linked. Starting from number 1 frame and adding number 1 frame. This is if you want to have animation behind more frames, like a walking animation and such. Can make it possible, but we're just now turning without any more animation, more than just going from one direction and just in one frame turn direction. So this video will be very simple today, and we're moving right here, and when I turn left it should work, but it's one weird thing, and I'm still, when I'm pressing A for going left, it will go going right, and that's because when I'm turn it around, it will go on the right too, and it's because the motions here is located on local direction or local coordinates, so we going for global coordinates, so unselect these and now it should work much better. So going right and going left and going right and going left, and yeah, and it's working great. Have a nice day. See you next time.